they don't use it anymore. I really hope they don't use it anymore. Those poor souls. Okay. Those poor souls. I should try to ask someone if they still use it. There was no PR, bro. There was no PR. I was on the tools team, and I was the only programmer on the tools team. It was a new team, and they brought on me, and they said, build this. I'm like, I go, bro, I've had a client talk to a server before. Hold my beer. And guess what? Dude, it was honestly crazy. Like, look, like it was used by so many, like, let me put it this way. The people using this tool made a lot of money. Really high profile people in the company would use this tool. And it's the worst tool ever written. Hilarious. First thing you ever built at your first ever job was a device that ported old serial data into an Ethernet network for a telecom, a building using old devices for housekeeping. The fiber optic, bro, that was a mouthful. Sounds nerdy. I guess that's the best way I can sum that one up. All right, let's just build this. Who actually really cares how it works? We'll probably figure out how it works when we go, right? Well, let's read the example. I guess that's reasonable. Socket IO app.get. So that's a router. That's an express route. REST does send file, whatever that does. What is that? Server side rendering. Oh, so it's, dude, it's literally. Is it basically a, I'm trying to think of what the app structure is going to look like. Let's do it. Let's just cook it. What else we got to do? Ooh, see, Akira, this is Akira, I'm gonna level up right here. Okay? You never thought this was coming. Okay? Get checkout dash B. What are we calling this? What did we add? Ledger. Point ledger. Oh God. Where'd that go? Oh, damn it. Point ledger. Boom. We got a branch. So now when I deploy this. Oh, shut up. What the shit, dude? Oh, come on. You're literally the worst, dude. How is there a freaking lock file? .get index lock. I'm just gonna save it all. I don't care. Saved. Adding initial ledger. Work. Push. Quit. We got our second ever branch in the server, guys. We are leveling up as computer programmers. every freaking moment. We're just leveling up. Okay, now that we have branches, why don't I even get even more crazy, dude? Why don't I even get even more crazy and check out dash B. Oh no, I guess this is this is nah. I don't want to get too crazy. I'll just stay on this branch. Yeah, I'll just stay on this branch. Cool. I just didn't want to push those changes to the server. Is all I really wanted to, I didn't want to release those changes because it would have broke. Okay, pub sub guys. I might need help on the structure. I don't know what this looks like. Okay, because we have. It looks like we have routes, right? Here's an express route. It looks like Socket IO lives next to the routes. I know how it goes, Ibra. I know how it goes. Trust you. Hey, thanks for your opinions. Wish me luck not going client side, and we'll chat tomorrow, dude. Um, okay, so it looks like. Is it common to put the. I'll just do it. Okay, we're just YOLOing it, guys. How do I install this thing? Okay, perfect. That was really good. Okay, she's installed. Um, where do I put this? Like we have app here. Let me go back. Let me zoom out a touch. We got app here, which has all of my routes, right? Does Socket IO live on this level? Well, let's just get it to work first of all. Then we'll figure out where it goes. How about that, guys? I don't know how to convert it, but let's convert it. Yo, Pseudo, what's good? Welcome. An absolute banger just came on. Like this just feels weird to put this just feels odd to put right here. Doesn't seem like a good idea. Oh, the hell, bruh. Do I actually have to install these types? Thank you, Zoe. The UI is looking pretty sleek. Thank you so much for saying that. We just deleted a task in my backlog that said redesign UI. Something I'm thankful people like it. Boom. Cooked. Well, now it doesn't like me. Cooked. Cooked. Thank you. Okay. Example. So it looks like thanks. Let me check that out. My question is, do these go in different files? Agreed, Donnie. Agreed. I need to stop even asking that question. Eh. Do they got a capitalization issue in that documentation? There's no way. No, what the shit? Oh. Wait, what the what is a create server node H we're doomed over here. We're doomed. Look at this. This is interesting. This is NeoVim. So I gotta import this thing. Okay. Hopefully that's reasonable. I don't know what HTTP is. So I don't know what that wants from, I don't know why we're doing that, but whatever. This, what are you? I have no idea. Create server. Don't I already have a server? Whatever. Let's run it. All right. All right. Let's see if it starts. You think she'll start? HTTP is nodes HTTP. Okay. So as long as it's not like creating a new HTTP connection or something. So if it's just using whatever Express is using, I feel like that's good. All right, here we go. We have a server running and listening on this thing. So let's see how we connect to it now. So I need to install Socket.io client. Let's just look up Expo Socket I hope it's supported by Expo. They unfortunately don't have. They don't have official documentation on it, it looks. Whatever. And so I'll just do this. Expo npx expo install socket.io dash client. Okay. Yo, fried egg or fried X. What's up? It's almost like fried eggs. Only it's fried X. What's good? Welcome in. All right, so we've got socket.io. So apparently we need to main so I have to install the types or an LSP restart maybe. Dude, today's going phenomenal. We're working on adding pub sub to the app, which is so much fun. IO. Okay, cool. There you go. There's our socket. Export const for funsies. Okay. Why didn't it mean better? Because we thought of I had thought of this as kind of like embedding yourself. Full disclosure, I thought the word embedder. It's like self-embetterment. I thought embedder was a word. Turns out it's not, but I still like it. So yeah, embed. I'm going to embetter myself. That's the origin of the name. I don't know what the hell that is. Don't even care. From other clients? So I can listen to other clients. If you say sequentially, it becomes a trend. What's a trend? A trend, maybe? All right, this didn't work. This looks a little better. How do I send a message, though? There you go. God, this is scary. I got so much to learn about these. Okay. All right. Well, how does it know what, guys? How does it know what server to connect to? This song is Resentment by A Day to Remember. Yeah, they're great. All right, let me figure something out, guys. How does it know? Oh, right here. Much better. Okay. So then how do I get this? Get API URL. Can't make that up. Cool. Should we try it? I literally don't know what's going to happen. All right, here we go. We're going to see if this thing does stuff. Perfect. Off to a great start. I know exactly what that is, luckily. Wait, no, I don't know what that is. Wait, why? I actually don't know what that is. Hmm. Okay. Let me do this. Let's just leave the app as is. Okay, and it crashed. Good. All right, she loaded. Okay. Okay. Unhandled endpoint. Okay, so it's hitting us. It's just not. Okay, let me do this. All right, here we go. Send message, guys. Oh, gotta click it from the actual phone. All right, so I'm hitting send message. No dice yet. Does it run on a different port? I don't think so. It's it's hitting the correct it's hitting the server. This is the server's log. So the client's obviously sending a timed request every 5 seconds, it looks like. 3 seconds maybe. So it's sending a get to socket.io endpoint. Should I have implemented that or does the client send a get to that's how it establishes the connection. So this is where we create the app, supposedly. I'm asking ChatGPT. It's coming as an unhandled endpoint. Hmm. I mean, it's recommending this, which is just ugly, but I mean, it's worth a try. I can't imagine that's the solution. Nah. Well, it's obviously hitting port 3000 because it's hitting Express. And we just don't have a router for it's not hitting this router. This route. Adrian, let's go. Welcome. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in, Raiders. How you guys doing? We are trying to set up Socket IO between my React Native app and my Express server. I wonder if, just for funsies, if I move this down here. Nope. Mm-mm-mm. Damn you. No, we're doing it through the React Native app. This dude's... Hmm. Not that I know of, but I don't really know. All right, well, let's just do this for fun. Just gutted all my stuff. Excuse me. Okay, still unhandled endpoint, you son of a... Okay, just for fun. What happens here? There's nothing. Hmm. I'm looking at that link. All right. So I've gutted my app to be just absolute bare bones. There is no router. Um, just gonna gut everything and then ask ChatGPT again. So there it is. Send message. Not coming through. Okay. Why is this not getting get request? Client is sending. I'm not really sure, man. From Socket.io guide to use React Native during development, you need to enable cores on the server. Okay. Well, we had. Let me just get my stuff back. We have origins here. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's using port 4000. I don't get that. Why? Where are you starting the server? Server starts here. Yeah, new server. Um, what is server? Yeah, I gotta go back and find that example. Wonder if I can find it here. No. Okay. It's you think if you export server instead of app. Really? Bro, Brendan, tell me what just happened. It's working, dude. Dude, the hell? How did you know that? First of all, thank you. Second of all, that was an absolute Hail Mary. Third of all, what is the difference? I need to understand why I'm returning a server now instead of app. What is an HTTP create server? And why am I suppose that does make sense here. But like how is it working with both? Outstanding work. It's a basic node HTTP server wrapping the Express server. Outstanding work, dude. Outstanding work. That's all I can say there. Wow. All right, so I'm going to click this. Send message. Okay, no messages yet. Oh, you know what's interesting? It stopped printing my heartbeat once an express endpoint. Watch. Oh no, I guess it's not a heartbeat. It does say user connected. Okay, I'm sending a message from the client with no dice. Let's go back to main here and figure out what in the hell's happening. So, send message. The hell's message? What on earth is this? Okay, that might be better. Get on, bro. Get on. Let's go, guys. So we are now. So I guess. Is this like a payload or something? I've never used a socket connection or like I've never used a WebSocket before. Does it ever take JSON? Could it take a JSON object? All right, so they're gonna do it. We're gonna do a absolute bogus test here. So what if I did this? I'm like overwhelmed with excitement. I want you guys to know. This is looking like it's going to be in native WebSockets only take strings. Why am I connecting 4 times also? That's another interesting question. We're gonna try it. We're gonna absolutely YOLO this. Chat message. If this works, I'll cry. Chat message console log. Here we go. For all the marbles, guys. Oh, it's an object, which I think is. I think that. Oh God, I think that's fine. I think I just need to not do this, right? We're so cooked, guys. We are so cooked, dude. Outstanding. Outstanding, guys. So part of me sitting here, is there authentication? Is there authentication? Let's test that. That's an interesting thought. I don't even know how that works. I just signed out. Okay, there's no authentication. Is there supposed to be authentication? That's the next question. Would we expect there to be authentication between the two? Or is that the whole point of just using REST then? Maybe it's I'm gonna Google it. Maybe it's device specific. Is there supposed to be auth? So is it basically just working like a website where it's not verifying a user, but it's just secured via HTTPS? This is a user off on a socket IO. So see, yes, adding user authentication is a good practice. Damn. So I'll show you what this is saying. There you go, middleware. You guys are too smart, man. This is insane. If you're running behind your auth middleware, no way, dude. So then I just need the client to send the auth token, I suppose. Because I have a middleware. I have an auth middleware. Dude, this is so sick. Okay, use socket. Yeah, I'll have to look at the how that works. This is a little different. I mean, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Undefined. Yeah, I wouldn't know how it was supposed to get that token. The server app layering may be wrong for that. Are you saying it's not handling auth? Am I supposed to do something like this? Okay. So how do I send how do I have my React Native TypeScript app to send its Firebase token? Token. Is it that simple? Wait, what? That ain't it. Sending credentials. The client can. Man, I can't believe just to read the documentation is so much better than ChatGPT. The client can send credentials with auth option. Oh, sick. As far as I know, the only way to auth in WebSockets is pass the tokens of query param. I might be wrong, but WebSockets doesn't have handle with headers. I wonder if Socket.io just like wraps that up for me. Maybe that's what it's doing on the back end, right? So plain object or with function, with callback. All right, so let's try this. What do I? I'm on the front. I'm on the back end, front end. Socket. Where are you? Here. Auth. Let's do token. See if I can get the token. Get auth dot. How do I get the token? I swear, auth token. Get auth token. What the hell is an auth token ID? Maybe that's the token. So get auth token ID. Oh, but it's in await, so it's a callback. I think. Oh shit. Sorry guys. Screwing that up big time. I really gotta figure that out because I keep doing that. Okay. So I can do this. I can do this thing called get auth token ID, but it's async. So I need to figure out what to do there. Get auth token. So that gives me the auth token ID, but again, it's async. But it looks like this thing might take a callback, which. I don't know if that's how that works. That seems kind of sus to me. Wait, hold on. No. I screwed it up. Copy. You need a secret key between server and client. Token. I'm absolutely just. I have no idea if what I'm doing is correct or not. I got no freaking clue. Okay. So there you go. We created that thing. Wish me all the luck in the world. Let's log in. Debug login. All right. So we're logged in. We're off. Now, I probably need an auth state I probably need to listen to all state changes because I think it already established that connection. But anyway, why don't I do this? Let's see if we got this thing. Okay, we're getting the message. Nested auth twice. Oh, thank you. Damn. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That was our token. So now over here, how do we get that bad boy? Yeah, good work, team. Thank you for your guidance there. Final component. Let's see if we can't get this thing to get the token. So it looks like it comes from socket handshake query. So let's just see if I can I const token equals. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you should be auth token. I don't know what the hell that was. Handshake auth token. All right, come on, baby. Do good stuff for me. There it is. There it is. There's our token. All right, sick. So we got a token. Yeah, that makes sense. So how would I do a middleware? IO middleware. Check auth here. Sick, guys. We're about to cook this. I guarantee this works. Token. So now if I go to authenticate, let me go to like a different, this is not a good one. Let's go like the authenticate, authorize. I think I prefer authorize. So anyway, get use, okay. Okay. This is what I do. We're obviously not going to do it here. Can I make this async? I don't know. How to make this async? Token. Okay. We'll just like reject this or something if we can. Nice. Okay, good. Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah, we'll stick an async up there and see what happens. Yo, BitDash, let's go. Welcome in, guys. I mean, I don't know if that's gonna work. Welcome in, BitDash. You guys ready to see some You ready to see some magic? Console.log authenticated. Console.log not authorized. Console.log no user ID. Here we go. Restarting. I'm expecting something. It's just giving me crickets. I suppose that's correct. Yo, thanks for the follows, guys. I lost my hold on, no, I didn't. Where are you? I got you. Freedom and uh CLC. Thanks for the follows, guys. Welcome in. All right. How do I make this async? I'm just asking ChatGPT. You guys know how I do by now. They're saying put async in it. Like we did, but that kind of like screwed everything up. But I'll try it. I'll try their version. Maybe they're doing something I'm not. I got an error. Here we go. Come on, give me something, man. Come on, man. Undefined. Is making a cat? Can you run it on your screen? You'll have to elaborate. Okay, so if I get rid of this. Oh, crap. Well, I don't think that was a big deal. Alright, if I get rid of this, what happens? Alright, now what's interesting is we're not even getting anything now. Let me try something. What did I change in here? User connected. Authentication error. No user ID. You must be cray. Getting ID from... This isn't the cleanest thing I've ever done. Bruh, you got a user ID. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? There's no way you don't. Aww. Oh, I'm working. I'm about to get off right now. Yeah. Invalids. Bah. Why is it cut off? Am I crazy, guys? Oh, it's just not copying all the way. So that's on me. Yoink. That'll copy. Boom. User ID. Okay, so I don't know what is good with that. We did make hella progress today, though. We basically got a WebSocket kind of working. We need to figure out a clean way to have the client reestablish the connection. And I bet you I have a good way to do that. Watch this. Register all state listener. Can you give me my token? Oh, hell yeah, I can. Watch this. Now, I don't know if this is weird to store in state or like... I don't know if that's weird. Is it weird to put that in state? Oh, damn it, dude. I'm literally gonna get rid of Chrome. I don't think Chrome adds any value to this stream. Thanks for letting me know. Socket. If I put socket in a state, I hope I'm not crazy. It doesn't seem like a good idea, but I have an idea. So all state listener, socket in ref. That seems reasonable. That seems reasonable. Let me just type out what I was thinking and then look into what you're saying. So if we have a Firebase user, we were going to do this. And then we already have the token, by the way, so we don't even need to await it, I think. Token is Firebase user dot... I don't know what ID token result is. Eh. Are you async? No. Perfect. Dude. Fernandez, let's go. Thank you so much for the Prime sub. Thanks for the support. Really appreciate that. You'd be better off with updating the auth like this. Nice. That looks good. Let's go back. So honestly, I'm gonna get rid of this. Can I make it a callback? Hmm. Man, I literally have no idea how to do any of this. I know this is a hack. I just want to see if it start. Okay, screw you. All right. Let me look up reconnection attempt. What is this? The problem is I need to asynchronously obtain this connection. I wonder why that's the case. I wonder why that is the case. Pretty sure you could do the update in the response to an auth event. Yeah, so that's what I was thinking. Can I set this? Can I? How can I dynamically change this variable? Can I do that? Because here's what here I have the token sitting right here. Why are you mad at me? Here's the auth event. What's going on here? Socket. Why can this thing not find socket? Ah. Oh, do I still have the use state? I didn't realize I still had the use state. Doesn't look like it likes. I don't think I have the use state anymore, right? Yeah. So we're good here. I mean, can that be it? I would love to just set it here. Oh, we realized that. Bro, I actually don't know what I'm supposed to do there. I'm kind of a noob at some of this stuff, man. I don't know. How do I get I guess I could just call initialize the app. No, but I need the Firebase app. Doesn't matter. It is odd though. Okay. Can you please connect? No user ID. On token set. Okay, well I don't want this thing to connect. So I feel like it's trying to connect. And then can I trigger a reconnect or something? I'm not sure, man. For whatever reason, can't I tell this thing not to connect on its own? False. Okay, all tokens set. I screw this. Bro, I'll figure this stuff out eventually, but right now I feel like I just have no idea what this is doing. User connected. I don't know why a user would connect when. Oh no, I guess it connects after that's. Anyway, okay. So it doesn't like the middleware. It doesn't like the middleware. Okay, then I also want to do this. If connect, baby, come on. Undefined. The client side might need to update socket.io ops query. So what is this setting? Socket.io ops. It doesn't think there's a token object. You're genius. Auth. Firebase user.getID token. Okay. So we've set that. Ops query over here. We are setting the client socket handshake query token. Didn't try this for the hell of it. So you're saying it's over a query though? Is that right? Is it supposed to be? That doesn't seem great. Query. All right, here we go. Query is empty. Auth is empty also. I feel like we're so close to victory. Is Get Idea Pro? No, I don't believe it is. Let's take a look. No. It is! I hate myself. Sorry. Damn it, dude. Such a freaking rookie over here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Query auth token. Oh, God, no. Why are you sending this token on the client? I don't know. um, Wait, I'm not setting it as token. I'm setting it as auth, stored in the variable token, right? Query.auth. Can I just do this? Auth. Hmm. I don't know why I'm not figuring this out. Let me try something. So that looks like it's coming over a query. Is if query.auth, is that a query parameter? Is that okay? Like that doesn't seem like a great idea to have your JWT going over a query parameter. Let's see here. All right, so I'm reading ChatGPT. If you don't have the Firebase token available at the time of creating the socket connection on the client side, you need to ensure that the connection is established after you've obtained the token. Here's how you can do that. Man, I am unsure. Okay, well, here's the deal. I got to go to actual work. Went a little deep in the weeds on this one, but was very eager to try to pull this off. I think maybe by stepping away and trying to, refresh will probably help me anyway. So, Brendan, hey, dude, thank you so much for your help. And everybody, thanks for being here. Another, honestly, fantastic stream. I don't know how the hell we went into WebSockets today. Like, I don't know what is going on with life that's a thing, but I'm here for it. I am here for it. So let's go and do a raid. I don't even know who this person is. But I'm here for it, dude. Let's go check them out. The kits, the kites. The kitsy. Say what up to this fella. The kitsy. Yeah, I got no idea who this person is, which is wild.